I'm Haitian, my wife is Jamaican, and when we got together, I thought that, oh, since we're both Caribbean, like, we'll basically be on the same page with everything. Like, Caribbean is Caribbean. So I was in for a rude awakening when I realized there were some fundamental differences between our cultures, even though we were both Caribbean. And one of the biggest things I discovered the hard way was that Haitians are very much big on physical touch. Like, we are, like, personal boundaries, physical boundaries are almost non-existent. Like, when we greet each other, we kiss each other and we say hello, like, we salute you. And so especially if you're meeting somebody's parents or an adult of the opposite gender, like, you kissing their mom, they're kissing their dad, kissing their, you know what I'm saying? Like, so, like, that's very much part of the culture. If you don't do that, that's disrespectful. Like, if you want to get a Haitian parent mad, just look at them and say hi. That's it. Whoa, wait, you think you spit in their face? So I'm meeting my wife's family for the first time, meeting her mom and grandma, and I asked her, hey, so I'm gonna meet your mom and your grandma. Like, so I kiss them when I see them, just making sure. Because in my mind, I'm thinking, oh, especially grandma, it's the matriarch of the family. She's definitely getting a kiss. She's getting 2 kisses. And my wife goes, no, not at all. Do not do that. Like, that's we don't know. That's keep your distance. And I'm like, okay. That's good to know, because in my mind, I'm thinking that would be disrespectful. Why would I meet the matriarch and just be like, hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. What? My Haitian behind would have been done. And she's like, no, it would be disrespectful for you to, like, roll up on her and just kiss her face. Why would you do that? And, like, I had to learn the hard way, like, even though we're Caribbean, we have those fundamental differences. And my theory is that it depends on who colonized you. Because Haitians, Dominicans, Puerto Ricans, like, we were colonized by the French and the Spanish, who were all very much mwah, 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 mwah. But Jamaicans got colonized by the British, who are very much not mwah, 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 mwah. And so I think who colonized you determines what flavor of Caribbean you're going to be. Let me know. What do you think in the comments?